Now students here, I taught you about the angles. Now we taught about the pairs of angles. Pairs means what? Two. Pairs means what? Two. So here's here. For example, here adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles, angles in linear pair. They are called pairs of angles. They are called pairs of angles. Pairs means two angles. When two angles are there, then they are called as in pairs of angles. So now we are studying about the adjacent angle. First the definition. Now what is the meaning of adjacent angles? I draw the diagram. I given the definition. So I'll tell you. See here. Two angles. Now two angles are which one? See carefully. Two angles. A, B, D. This is one angle. And the other angle. Which is the other angle here? I'll say that D, B and C. This is the other angle. Okay? This is the other angle. Now in these two angles, I'll say they are what? Adjacent angle. Why? Reason. They have a common vertex. Now see this angle. Angle ABD and DBC. They have a common vertex. Yes, I go A, B and D and DBC. So middle angle, you have to see the middle angle. That is called vertex. इधर भी क्या है? B है, इधर भी क्या है? B है. So ABD and DBC have a common vertex. So adjacent angle should have a common vertex. Second thing, they have a common arm. Common arm मतलब देखो ABD DBC. This is called common arm. दोनों के लिए common है BD. BD is common. And third, they have a separate interior. ये angle और ये angle दोनों separate है. ABD and DBC. They have separate angles. Therefore, these angles are called as an adjacent angles. Once again, what are adjacent angles? They should have a common vertex. The angle should have a common arm, and both the angles, the interior should be separate. ये angle अलग है, ये angle अलग है. Okay? Once again, there should be a common vertex, and their arm should be a common arm. दोनों angle के लिए, and both the angles should have interior separate. Therefore, they are called as an adjacent angles. Okay? Write this definition and draw the diagram with the help of the scale and pencil. Okay? Now come to the question. Now I'll teach you how to find the adjacent angle. Okay? Now students, see here. The question number 2. It is given. Name the pairs of adjacent angle. Name the pairs of adjacent angles. The diagram is given. The first diagram. What's the alphabet given here? B, N, A, and C. Now, how to find out the adjacent angle? What I told you, they should have a common vertex, common arm, and separate interior. So I'll start with here. B and A, B and C, B and A, angle B and A, and angle B and C. They are adjacent angle. Why? Because they have a common vertex, and the BN is a common arm, and they are separate interior. Second one, I'll go with this one. A and B and A and C. A and B and A and C. A and B, A and C. Common vertex, common arm, separate interior. The third one, I'll start with here. C and A. C and A and C and B. They are also adjacent angle because common vertex once again and common arm and C, and they are separate interior. So these are called which angles? Adjacent angles. Any doubt, students? Now come to the second question. Come to the second question. The diagram, once again I'll draw the second diagram. Now in this, which are the adjacent angles? See, I'll say that PQR and PQT. Which one? Angle PQR and angle PQT. Why? Because PQR and PQT, they have a common vertex, common arm and separate interior. बाकी कौन सा angle नहीं आएगा? I'll take the other also, but they are not adjacent angles here. If I say PQR and QTR, vertex अलग अलग है, इधर Q है, इधर क्या T है ना? No common vertex. So this is only the adjacent angle. अब ये angle लेगा PQT and QTS, वर्टेक्स अलग अलग है. PQT का वर्टेक्स क्या है? Q है, और QTS का वर्टेक्स क्या आएगा? T है, तो अलग अलग है. हाँ, understand? Only one adjacent angle in this particular figure. Any doubt? We'll go to the next question. The question asks, are the following pairs adjacent angles? The third question, are the following pairs are adjacent angles? I'll draw the diagram. You also draw the diagram. What is here? N, here M, here what is here? R, and what is here? S. Here is given Q, here is given T, and here is given, they are given as P. Okay. So the first question, the question is given, are the following pairs are adjacent? If not, state the reason. First one, PMQ and RMQ. PMQ and RMQ. We'll draw. See, I'll draw with the help of the green one. I'll see whether or not. PMQ. P, M, and Q. This is one angle, right? And next angle is what? R, M, and Q. We can see they have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and their interior are separate. So I will say that they are which angle? They are adjacent angles. Which angle? Adjacent angles. Okay. Come to the second question. Which angle they told? RMQ and angle, what is given? Angle SMR. SM. Now listen here once again. RMQ is where? RMQ, ये angle है. और SMR, RMQ and SMR. वर्टेक्स कॉमन है, मतलब सेपरेट इंटीरियर नहीं. देखो RMQ और SMR एक ही अंदर है, दोनों एंगल को. RMQ के अंदर है, क्या आएगा? SMR है. So the interior are not separate. So they are not adjacent angles. They are not adjacent angles. They are not adjacent angles because they don't have separate interior. They don't have separate interior. तो दोनों इंटीरियर अलग अलग नहीं है. देखो RMQ और SMR ये सेपरेट नहीं है, एक ही अंदर है. ओके. कम टू द थर्ड वन. व्हाट इज द थर्ड वन? RMS and RMT. आर एम एस ये एंगल है और आर एम टी एक ही है, वापस सेपरेट इंटीरियर नहीं है, सो दे आर नॉट एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, they are not adjacent angles because they don't have separate interior, उनका इंटीरियर अलग नहीं है, इसके लिए they are not adjacent angles. Come to the fourth sum. What is the fourth one? SMT and RMS. SMT RMS ये अलग अलग है. Yes, they are adjacent angle. They are adjacent angles. हो गया? कोई डाउट?